Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to merge C drive and D drive in Windows 11 PC or laptop without using any software by the simplest way. First, go to this PC, double click on this PC. In this PC, I have C drive and D drive. I want to merge these two drive. In D drive, I have not any data. If you have any data in D drive, make sure backup it. We are going to delete D drive and merge entire D drive space to the C drive. That is our goal for this video. Close it. Go to the start. Right click on the start. Not left click. Right click on the start. Here we find disk management. Click on the disk management. In disk management, we find our all hard disks. I want to merge C and D drive. Go to the D drive. Right click on it and click on delete volume. We are going to the delete the volume and click on yes. Here we find unallocated space. If you not find unallocated space at this step, then right click once again and delete the partition. If you have any other color than the black, I want to merge this unallocated space with the C drive. That is very easy. Right click on the C drive. Here we find extend volume. Click on the extend volume. Click on the next. Here we find our disk and entire space. I give the entire space to the C drive. Click on the next and click on the finish. And here we find C drive is extended. Go to this PC and here we find our C drive and it is at about 500 GB or 499 GB. So guys, this is the simplest way to merge C drive and D drive in Windows 11 PC without any software. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.